The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is a United Nations International Day against drug abuse and the illegal drug trade which is observed annually on 26 June since 1989. The goal of the day is to strengthen global action and cooperation towards creating a society that is free from drug abuse and unlawful drug trade. The date June 26 is to commemorate Lin Zexu's dismantling of the opium trade in Hunan, Guangdong, ending in June 25, 1839, just before the First Opium War in China. The observance was instituted by General Assembly Resolution 42 by 112 of 7 December 1987. On 26 June 1987, two important texts, Comprehensive Multidisciplinary Outline of Future Activities in Drug Abuse Control and Declaration of the International Conference on Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, were adopted at the International Conference on Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which was held in Vienna during 17 to 26 June 1987. The conference recommended that an annual day should be observed to mark the importance of the fight against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. So, both the dates 17 June and 26 June were suggested, and in the later meetings, 26 June was chosen and written into the draft and final resolution. The day is used to highlight the dangers of drug abuse and bring awareness to the people on how to deal with it. There have been many public rallies to promote awareness about the dangers of illicit drug use, with governments and organizations taking the lead in organizing such events.